Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you a story. A story about how Excel, our all-time favorite spreadsheet tool, got a superpower. A power so unique that it changed the way millions of people analyze data. And the best part? You don't need to become a programmer to use it. Yes, we're talking about Python and Excel, and in this video you'll learn how to use Python inside Excel just by copy-pasting code. No coding skills, no confusion, just results. Let's begin our story. First of all, why Python came to Excel. Imagine this. You're working with a big, messy data set. You want to clean it, analyze it, create charts, and maybe even run a quick forecast. Excel can do some of it, but not everything. Meanwhile, Python, the most popular data language in the world, can do powerful analysis, advanced visualizations, and AI. But it feels intimidating if you don't know coding. So Microsoft thought, what if we bring the power of Python directly into Excel and make it simple enough to use even without coding? And boom, Python in Excel was born. Now, Excel is no longer just a spreadsheet. It's a full data analysis machine. Every good story starts with preparation. So let's check if you have access to this new feature. Step 1. Open Excel. Step 2. Go to the Formulas tab. Step 3. Look for a button that says Insert Python. If it's there, congratulations, your Excel is upgraded. If not, you need a Microsoft 365 subscription because Python in Excel is part of that package. No installations, no downloads, no setup, just the button. When you click Insert Python, Excel creates something special. A Python cell. Think of it as a translator between you and Python. You don't have to speak Python. The ELL understands Python on your behalf. Here's all you do. 1. Click an empty cell. 2. Hit Insert Python. 3. Paste your Python code. I'll put that code in description. It's for cleaning data. 4. Press Enter. The bottom half of the cell will show your results. Sometimes it's a table, sometimes a chart, sometimes a number, and sometimes even an entire clean data set. And remember, you're not writing the code, you're only pasting it. Let's start our adventure with a common villain: messy data. If your sheet has duplicates, blank rows, or poor formatting, Excel alone may struggle. But Python? Python defeats the messy data monster in seconds. Try this. Paste inside a Python cell. I'll put that code in description. It's for cleaning data. You can just change the range according to your data sheet. This tiny set of commands does more than 10 minutes of manual cleaning. Now this just shows me the data frame and all that data contained within this one cell. But let's say I want to expand it just like a standard Excel table. Right up above, I'll click on this drop-down, and instead of outputting as a Python object, I can output as an Excel value. And when I do that, there's my table and there's all the data contained within. It takes up a little bit more space. Let's say you don't want to see all of the data, you just want to store it in that data frame. Well, again, let's click on this, and here we can output it as a Python object. Now, one thing you might have noticed is in cell A1, it said busy for a very brief moment before it showed the results. Now, you might wonder why. Well, the reason why is the Python code runs in the Microsoft cloud. Basically, that means on Microsoft servers. It doesn't actually run on your local computer. So, it causes a slight delay. Now you might think that's a disadvantage, but by having Python run on Microsoft servers, you don't actually have to install Python on your local computer and keep track of all these different Python versions. So it actually works out being somewhat of an advantage. And here it's now all contained within this one individual cell. So let's just PT it back on Excel values so that we can see our data. Python removes blank rows. Python removes duplicates. Python returns clean data. And you? You just copied and pasted. Every story needs visuals. And Python gives Excel brand new artistic abilities. Let's say you have monthly sales data. Paste this. Change the range according to your datasheet. Let's just do the same procedure with this one here. Press Enter. And a stunning chart appears. Smooth lines, clean formatting, professional styling. Better than Excel's default charts. And again, you didn't write the code. You only pasted it. Now comes my favorite part of the story. The time travel chapter. What if you could predict the future? With Python, Excel becomes a mini AI tool. Paste this code. Change the range according to your datasheet. This uses machine learning to predict what your sales might be next month. Let's just do the same procedure with this one here. You're not learning AI, but you're using it. Let's pause the story for a second and talk real value. Python in Excel matters because it saves hours of manual work. You can analyze more data than Excel normally handles. You can create dashboards in seconds. You can use AI without learning AI. You can automate repetitive tasks. And most importantly, Python makes Excel future-proof. This feature puts everyday users, students, accountants, teachers, business owners, everyone on the same level as data analysts. And that brings us to the end of today's story. But honestly, it's not an ending. It's a beginning. Because now you know how to enable Python insert Python cells, clean data build charts, make predictions, and do all of this without coding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed the story. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of Excel.